In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to apply a template to multiple documents in DocuSign step by step. If you're sending out similar agreements and want to save time by reusing a template instead of rebuilding everything from scratch, this is going to make your workflow much faster and more efficient. I'll walk you through the entire process so you can confidently apply templates to your documents inside DocuSign. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical DocuSign tutorials. Let's get started. First, log in to your DocuSign account. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to the top navigation menu and click on Agreements. This is where you can view and manage all of your envelopes and documents. After clicking on Agreements, you'll be taken to the main Agreements page, where you can filter and locate the document you want to work with. Next, click on Sent. This will show you all the envelopes that you have already sent out. If you're applying a template to an existing document, you'll need to locate it here. Scroll through the list or use the search bar if necessary to find the correct envelope. Once you've found the correct document, click on the three dots next to that envelope. This opens up a drop-down menu with additional actions. From the drop-down, select Correct. This option allows you to make changes to the envelope, including applying or modifying templates. After clicking Correct, you'll be taken into the editing view of that envelope. Now look for the three dots on the specific document inside the envelope. Click on those three dots to open more document-specific options. From the menu that appears, click on Manage Applied Templates. This is where you can view any templates currently applied and also add or change templates for this document. You'll now see a list of available templates in your DocuSign account. Browse through the list and click on the file or template that you want to apply. Make sure you're selecting the correct template that contains the fields, roles, and formatting you need. After selecting the template, click on Apply Selected. DocuSign will then apply that template to your document. This means all the predefined fields, recipient roles, and settings from the template will now be added to the document automatically. At this point, review the document carefully. Make sure the fields are placed correctly and that the recipients are assigned properly. If everything looks good, you can proceed with saving and sending the updated envelope. And that's it. That's how you apply a template to multiple documents in DocuSign using the correct and Manage Applied Templates options. This method saves a huge amount of time, especially if you regularly send similar agreements and want consistency across your documents. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more DocuSign tips and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.